Mina ngizipholele nabafowethu yazi nawe. Mina ngifuna esikele ngisazi khona drive. Insimbi into yakhona uyazi nawe uyashaya inhlamvu. Igcwele ubavu. Mina mfowethu ngangibhayizeli.
Niggas they like to act like I don't know what I'm doing. Fighting dog like I'm Scooby. Hey. Use the strings, what they pulling, what they doing.
Yazi, I've been tired of them niggas that think they running the streets, walking with their chest out like a crew of chimpanzees. They slow with their thoughts, thinking that this makes you tough, but they don't know that and move will cut their shit to dust. It is all about making money moves. Yazi, it is all about cutting strikes with checks, doing moves for the racks, aiming for the best, not aiming to watch the night rise or watch the sunsets. Okay my brother ngiyaqava mina ungangizeli ngokungibhayizela. Mina kuduma indzaba kuphela yasinami idala vele ngikudlela. Ey vele bese ngikhathele ngihlezi ngikhiphe ngavele nezenzo. Manje ithama liyacava ukuthi ibras libuye ngempela. Ey and manje ngisadlali ngiphantisakala ngempela. Mfana ngiyakutshela minutes for the real dough. Getting more coins and checks on flow. Ey I ain't in it to play my nick. I ain't station my nigga. Okay, ING, you know I stay in the crowd, my nigga.
Yeah, I got no time of fooling around. Oh yeah, I'll forever grind. Cause feeling it blind. The speciality in my design and everything. Oh yeah, it's smoothly aligned. The job is done. Shy Lizan. Get in the car. The whip, see him the lie. And now, so we share it out. Nizinja zami, style is now. The drip, okay, some ganam. They can rise on the rise, they can come on the run, but you niggas you ain't gonna do like I do. Spend my whole time on the mic, but I say all you niggas will say I come out of the blue. Try to remind you, but you won't remember, cause you niggas still doing Zen in the Jew. All gonna say you good mic, cause they pulling the black, but they just in the lights, I got home. Young Jello, I'm selling it, facing it, costing them facing my nigga, and splits, I got cool. Sometimes I just feel like I'm crazy, I also amaze me like, dude, is this really you? I look at the mirror, I see the protagonist, one masterpiece and becoming my groove. And I will never go back, man, I look for the stack, and the niggas are wishing they lose.
Mina ngizipholele nabafowethu yazi nawe. Mina ngifuna esikele ngisazi khona drive. Insimbi into yakhona uyazi nawe uyashaya inhlamvu. Igcwele ubavu. Mina mfowethu ngangibhayizeli.
Niggas they like to act like I don't know what I'm doing. Fighting dog like I'm Scooby. Use the strings, what they pulling, what they doing. Hey.
Mina ngizipholele nabafowethu yazi nawe. Mina ngifuna esikele ngisazi khona drive. Insimbi into yakhona uyazi nawe uyashaya inhlamvu. Igcwele ubavu. Mina mfowethu ngangibhayizeli.
Niggas they like to act like I don't know what I'm doing. Fighting dog like I'm Scooby. Use the strings, what they pulling, what they doing. Hey.